Got it! Yeah! Hup. Come on! Just a little further! No! Whoa! Come on! Come on! Just a little further! Almost there! Huff, huff. Almost there! One more push! Whew! Just one step down! Arg! Come on, you stupid box! Yow! Yow! That hurt! My foot! My poor foot! I can't move it! It's too heavy! I give up! Come on, you big box! One more push! Almost there! I can do this. Just need to push harder. Ugh, it's so heavy. One more time. Come on! Almost there. Almost there. So heavy! Just a little further. Almost there. Pant. Alex, hi. Having trouble? Oh, Lily. Yeah, this thing is heavy. Don't worry, I'll help you. Together. Thanks, Lily. It's too heavy. We need to get it up there. All right, I've got an idea. It's too high. I can't move it. It's so heavy. Don't worry, Alex. I have an idea. Really? What is it? On it. I've got it. Go. Just turn it this way. Look, the treasure must be up here. Ugh, this box won't move. Wait, I have an idea. We can use this as a ramp. Hey, that might work. Let's do it. Okay, now we use the plank to roll the box up the steps. Roll it? Lily, this thing is massive. Are you sure about this plan? Try this, Alex. Good idea, Lily. Good idea, Lily. Let's lift it together. Almost there, Lily. Just a little further, Alex. Whew, we did it! Perfect! All right, Lily. Got the ramp set up. Yes, now we can move the treasure box. It's heavy. Keep pushing. Almost there. You're working so hard, but what if there was an easier way to lift it? Watch this. Wow, it's glowing. So that's how it works. That's amazing. Wow, that's a big box. Okay, here goes nothing. Ugh, come on, you can do this. Just to the ramp. Got it. Arg! It's so heavy! You can do it, Alex! Almost there! Come on! Just a little more! Yay! You did it! Ugh! So heavy! Wow! It's moving! I did it! Together on 3! 1, 2, 3, push! We did it! Yeah! You can do it, Alex! Keep pushing! Almost there! Just a little more! Yay! High five! Okay, Alex, those bricks are blocking the path. We need to move them. Right, I'll move this box first. Go, Alex, push it. You can do it. It's too heavy. I can't do it. Whoa. Ugh. Phew. You're doing it all wrong, Alex. It's so heavy. I know just what to do. What is that? All right, I've got it. Move the box here. Ugh, it's so heavy, I can't. Just push a little more. Okay, look, it's moving. Wow, it's working. All right, Lily, you got it? Yeah, almost. Ready? Push now. It's moving, Alex. Push hard. We did it, we did it. I wonder if this pole can lift it. It's so heavy. With the pole, I can do it. Time for science. I don't know if this is working. Push a little harder. It's so heavy. Almost there. Come on. Just a little more. Yes! Finally! Wow! That's incredible! It's so heavy. I can't move it. Just one step. Let me try. Be careful, Alex. I've got this. Ooh! Too high now! Oh! Oh, come on, you can do it! Just a little more. Now, 1, 2, 3, push. Push harder, Lily. Got it, Alex. Almost there. heavy. Don't worry, we'll help. Let's try it together. Thanks, guys. We can do this.
Ugh, so heavy. Deep breath. I can do it. Ha! Almost there.
Oh, we can do this, Alex. Just follow the map. It's so heavy, Lily. I'm too tired. Look, we're almost there. One big push. Okay, come on, Lily. Push harder. Oh, it's so heavy, Alex. Just a little further. We're almost there. Arg, my arms are killing me. Arg. Ow. Ow. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Look what I found. Now we can fix it.
Wow, Lily.
Thank goodness you're back. I brought the wheel. Oh. Perfect. Now we can move it. Ready to try again?
Almost. Huh?
Yes, that's it. I can't do it. Yes, we can. One more time. We did it. Yeah! Yes! Almost there. Just a little further. We've got this, Alex. Together. Yeah! Push! All right, one wheel done. It's not moving. I can't do it. Don't worry, Alex. I'll help you with that. Wow, it's perfect. Let's go on an adventure. Ready? You can do it, Alex. Ugh, so heavy.
Just a little further.
I'm trying. Almost there. Keep pushing, Alex. It's almost up.
Don't let it fall back.
Did it. We did it. Yeah, high five.
So heavy.
Wait, wow, it's floating. Look at this. Aha, I can do I almost have it.
Oh no! It's too fast! Stop, Box! Stop!
No, Alex, you have to hold it.
Ugh, it's too heavy. I can't hold it.
Yes, you can. Push harder. I got it.
Must get this box up. One last push. Ha! Finally! That was hard.
All right, hard hats on. Let's do this. Ready? Push. Together. Almost there. We did it. Almost. Smack. Ouch.
Oh, that really hurts.
Ouch, ouch, ouch. My thumb. It's throbbing. Almost there, Alex. See the red line?
Ugh, this is so heavy.
Just a little more. Right there. I did it. Amazing job.
I almost got it. Just one more push. Wow. This is heavy. Ims is heavier.
Almost ready. This box is so heavy. Just a little more. Okay, here goes.
Almost done. Whoa, this is heavy. Push. Ugh, I can't. One more time. Huff, huff. I need a break.
Ugh, it's too heavy.
Are you okay, Alex?
I'm so sorry, Lily.
Hey, that's my nose.
You got me back. I did. Now help me with this box. Almost there. Keep pushing. Just a little further. We did it. We really did it. This is heavy. I can do it. I'm almost there. Yes, finally. Now Oh, it's so heavy. You can do it, Alex. Just a little more. It's not moving. I can't. Reach up. Here, take the flag. Yes, we got it. We got it. Almost there. Yes, yes. I did it. Yet. Now the flag. Victory. Almost there. I can do it. Whoa, steady. So heavy. Almost got it. Whew, that was heavy. Thanks, Lily.
No problem, Alex.
Almost there. Keep pushing. We did it. We built the best fort ever. Excellent timing. Indeed. Operation Box is a go. To adventure. Let's do it. Almost there. So tired. Keep going, Alex. You can do it. I did it. Way to go, Alex. High five. To the best fort ever. Cheers, Alex. Sip. Keep pushing, Alex. You're almost there. Just a little further. Come on. He's moving it. Go, go, go. We're cheering for you. Almost there. Just a little more. You can do it, Alex. We did it. Yeah.